In this video, I'll show you how to unequip your tokens in League of Legends. Now what you want to do is you want to just close down League of Legends like this. Then what you want to do is relaunch League of Legends, and I'll show you what to do. So simply log in as you normally would. Just log into your account. And while we're waiting for it to log in, what we want to do is just explain real quick. You want to click on your icon up here, and once you're on your profile, you want to double tap 1 second. Now, I don't know if this is a bug or something, but this is how it works. So go to your profile, double click fast, and you'll see it will be removed. Now, if I go to my profile again, you can see they're still gone, and I can choose new ones if I want to put them on. So now they're gone forever until you put on new ones. Now that's basically how you can unequip it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.